Hello, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Diwali, everything under the sun. Whatever you celebrate, merry that, okay? Glenda Lee's here with Made by Glenda, ready to give you another unboxing video. Today we're gonna do the Rollo label printer, their new model, which is wireless. And it claims to work with Android, Apple Print, Apple AirPrint, pardon me. Sorry, I don't own any Apple products, boo. And a bevy of different products. Let's get into it. Let's unbox this. Let's see what all the hype is about. What you think? Merry Christmas to me? Since Rollo announced that they were making the new model back in the summer of 2021, there's been a lot of underground hype online. People really excited to finally be able to have wireless capability with the Rollo printers. It is what they call a direct thermal label printer. It doesn't use any ink. It doesn't use any toner. It uses heat to make its imprints onto the label paper, which as a small business owner is worth its weight in gold, because I'm telling you, ink is bananas. I have sublimation ink. I have ink for my laser printer, for my photo printer. Too much ink. This just, makes things 1,000 times simpler. Another great aspect about it, you can use pretty much any direct thermal label as long as it is 4 inches wide. It doesn't matter the length. You can have as long a label as you need, as is made, as long as it's shorter than 4 inches wide. So in order to purchase it, you had to be online at midnight on Eastern Standard Time in order to purchase one of the Rollos, and it would sell out in that day, and they'll have an inventory at 12 a.m. the next day. So after waiting a couple days, I was finally able to check out and buy my Rollo wireless printer. Let me tell you, the way that I've been putting labels on now is I've been printing it out on my black and white printer on regular plain paper because I ran out of labels because I've had so many orders for Christmas, which is not a bad thing, but it's what prompted me to make this sale because I cannot buy any more ink for that purpose. I need something more efficient. My business is scaling up and I need to buy equipment to scale with it. Let's face it, it's much better to be able to print from anywhere and it is to always be directly tethered to a personal computer or Mac. So I do believe that Amazon is running promotions right now, original Rollo wired printer, if you're interested in getting a good deal. If you have enough space next to your computer where you can have your label printer and your labels set up and everything, there really is no need for you to have the wireless capability. You could save yourself $100 or more, or you can pay a little bit more and get a lot more. Okay, so let's get to opening up this box. We're given our setup instructions, how to connect the power, how to download the Rollo app, and how to connect to the Wi-Fi. Here is our color guide. Rollo talks via colors. That's interesting. The LED lights on the machine will tell you diagnostics you need to do. If it's green, you're all good. If it's red and blinking, then you have some issues, and then it tells you all of the issues that that you can use to troubleshoot your device, which is actually very, very helpful. So I don't have to go online and look for that information. Oh, so they give you some labels to start out with, which is great because I had already purchased labels separately. I also want to say that I purchased this myself. This is not a paid promotion. I bought this myself with my own hard-earned money. So it tells you how to feed it, how to feed your labels. I guess this is how this opens. Ooh la la, look at that. Now that we have it on, you see how beautiful this looks, how compact it is, how little space it takes. Although this is a brolic connector over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to download the app. So I have my phone here, I have my camera on, and I am about to scan this QR code in order to download the Rollo app. Or you can go to rollo.com/app. So while the app installs, what I'm gonna actually do now is I'm going to open up my labels so that I can prep the machine. Okay, so now that we have our printer already set up, we have the 4x6 direct thermal label and the thermal label holder. All right, so we're gonna finally test this thing. You can see our printer has a green steady light. We see that the wireless is connected. That's how you know that we're ready to go. So we're gonna go through these steps one by one. Log in to your Rollo account that you use when you purchased your printer. Add your ship from address and add everything else that is listed in this checklist. Next will be billing. How do you want to pay for your labels? This actually comes with 200 free labels. I want to see what that means because I just put $15 in my account. But at least I know that I'm taken care of. So this is what it would look like. Next, we're going to add some presets and connect to some of our selling channels. You enter your usernames and you connect. I'm using my Etsy and my eBay account. And now when you go to the home page, you will actually see one of your orders there. This is actually an old order. Not sure why I'm seeing that because that's from October. But hey, at least I have something there to show you. Now when you set up your printer, it will always ask which one you want to use unless you designate one specifically. You can even schedule a pickup based on your shipping carrier. You can see your connections, your shipping carriers, and your marketplaces. Your selling channels, as they call it here. And these are all of the channels that you can automatically link your account through their dashboard. And that's it. Easy peasy. There we go. Oh man, I must have fed it wrong. I'm lame. Can you see the clarity on that? I did pay a pretty penny. It is $279.99. And if you want to get yours, you need to make sure that you purchase it right now at rollo.com. And the only way to purchase it right now is through their website. And supplies are limited. So remember what I said. You have to be there at 12 a.m. Eastern in order to make sure that you get yours in the cart, because I've seen them go as quickly as 30 minutes. So go get your Rollo printer, okay? So thank you everyone. Glenda again with Made by Glenda. I didn't make anything for you today, but you know what? We always have the next video. And from the bottom of my heart, I hope you understand how appreciative I am to have you guys as viewers. Thank you so much for the support. And I hope to have some better and new exciting content in 2022. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Whatever you celebrate, I hope you enjoy your holiday and your new year even more. Check you out on the flip side. Adios. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crafty and techie happiness. And be sure to ring the bell to get notifications for future videos.